ain't even gonna guess what happened. Why is this dead? Ugh! So this, I haven't vacuumed or anything, but I just finished putting up this and I tightened up that, y'all. And y'all, I think I'm about to paint this wall because it's already like scarfed up. I have to repaint, do some touch-ups right here, reorganize all of this. Y'all, this is gonna be a day's work of stuff. I'm gonna spray paint this and make this into my vinyl, my vanity. And I need to go to Walmart to get some white spray paint so I can do that. I'm going to buy a mirror. I may move my prayer wall and buy a vinyl, like not a vinyl, but a mirror with the lights on it. And I'm gonna switch out this light, and y'all, I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna try to get this done today, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs to see if I have some paint. I'll put a picture of what I'm thinking about of doing it this way. I'm gonna try to do it like a DIY type of thing. But yeah, y'all, this is the closet. I moved everything out. And this is the closet, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and move my prayer board. This is it.
If I'm giving you the cold shoulder, that's closure. Needed someone to hold. But we both had our own motives. Never told him that mine was to stay alone. And you don't belong to me, so you don't have to let me go. Doesn't always have to be something more. I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. I'm no good if I stay.
Also, here is the wall. Oh my God. I absolutely love it. Okay, as I was doing this, hold on. Let me let y'all see. But as you can see, every line is different. And, you know, painting is therapeutic. You don't have to do this on a wall, but I do encourage you guys to paint out your thoughts, your feelings, your anger, your sadness, your happiness. Y'all, when I was painting this room and I was just thinking like my journey throughout my motherhood thus far has not been perfect. Just like these lines are not perfect, but they're there to remind you that the journey still is within. Being deep here, I absolutely love this because I wanted it to be perfect, but y'all, life is not perfect. Life is not perfect. And I want this to be like an abstract. I love it. Oh my God, y'all. I love it. Every crease, I absolutely love. All right. I gotta put the clothes in here now, y'all. I love it though. It's so freaking cute. Okay, let's do that. All right, guys, so I wanted to jump up here to show you how I made my quick DIY wall here. So it first came about, I was on TikTok and I seen this girl. She was painting her office space and it was very eclectic. It was very nostalgic. It was just so lovely that how she painted it, and then she put frames, like black art frames on it. It was just so dope. And I always wanted to do it, but I always want to use wallpaper for some reason. And yesterday I was sitting, I was like, I have to get this closet done because my brain is not able to function the way it is because I just like my house to look a certain way. Y'all, I end up going to the Dollar Tree. We all know that it's not a dollar anymore, but I purchased these right here. It comes in like a 3-pack. It's this size, and then this size, and then this size. Now I think, and pretty much I just let it go. Just let it go, let it go. Feel it, feel it, feel it. Feel it, feel it, feel it up and down. Turn it up and down, turn it up and down until I got it the way that I wanted it. I was listening to some music, so y'all, I was grooving out. I was grooving out the whole time. So these right here, and then if you want, while you're in the Dollar Tree, you can pick up some black paint in there. I like to use premium paint. I just like to use it. I always get a sample size of Lowe's. If you're in their program, you can get a sample size for like, I think this was like $5. I think it was actually $4, I think. And it's just the color that I got is a caviar black here. It's a satin finish, so I like the way that it kind of shines. You can't really see it on film, but I kind of like the finished touch of how the satin looks on my walls. So I always go with like a Lowe's premium paint satin. That'll do, but you can definitely do it with some acrylic paint. You just won't have like the shine at the end. I think that this gives it a nice polish, but again, this is still under $6 that you can do a whole wall. I was gonna purchase some decals, some stickers instead of painting them, but I was adding it all up. The stickers were like $15, and I was like, you know what? I want to stay in budget on this room, this closet. You guys know I don't want to spend no more than $50 like redoing the whole closet. So I halfway have this side done. If you stay along, I will definitely show you the makeover, but I wanted to come and show you guys the finish of the wall, and I absolutely love it. I just love how abstract it is. I am a fan. Y'all, I love abstract. I love just doing things different. And this was just so up my alley with the design. And I'm not sure if I want to put frames in there. I probably will end up putting frames and hang like a mirror up here. I just have a lot of great ideas that I want to do. This is just the base of my wall, so you guys definitely stay tuned on that. I will definitely show you guys a whole makeover. I'm gonna switch out my fixtures. I'm gonna get a dresser, just change up a whole lot of things in my closet, so definitely stay tuned on that. But I just wanted to come and show you guys how I did this DIY wall for only what, $6, $7, and you can do that too. Just don't be afraid. You can always, if you don't like it, you can always paint over it. You can always paint over. I already have this color paint. This is a home premium paint from Sharon Williams, and I have like a big tub of it, so I always kind of paint our high traffic areas, and so I always have this color paint somewhere because I know that I'm gonna paint somewhere. And I always cover up, like I did Mac's room, I covered up that. So y'all, I'm always painting. It's definitely a therapeutic thing for me. And I want you to try it. Even if you don't want to try it on a wall, just try it in general with a canvas. You can go to the dollar store. They have like little small canvas. It's just so therapeutic. I just love that for me. And I want you to love it for you. So I hope you guys feel inspired. I hope you guys come back to see the whole room makeover. I can't wait. I'm super excited now that this wall has turned out the way that I love. Y'all, I just love how it comes out. As I was telling you guys before, like I feel like each stroke was just me just putting, you know, all of my worries, all of my, you know, hard times, all of my happy times, just putting it together and making art. So I know that's probably went over a lot of people's head, but hey, I was in the groove and that's what I was feeling, and this is what the wall came up to. So if you love this wall, you guys definitely want to stay tuned to the rest of my makeover, my closet makeover that's coming soon. So I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Oh, them not bad like the lion. I them not bad like the lion. Boy, disrespect them get fryin'. Put the whole of them in the fire. This little lion them a dying. Oh, so
it every time. Little lion when you bad all the while. Hey, when enough for them can't sleep at night, them all a worry and fret. A true lion them want for disrespect. Them don't make the